everybody, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group. Please excuse my voice. I'm a little ill right now. My allergies have kicked in. This is September, obviously. And today we have an unboxing. Yay, another unboxing. I love doing unboxings. This particular one is from BeeBeeCraft. It's BeeBeeCraft. The links to the main shop and to each of these items that I'm about to discover, because I don't remember what I ordered for demonstration purposes, and so it'll be a surprise to me and you. I did cut it open. I glanced in real quick to make sure where it was from, because they don't come with the name of where they're from on here. They do come from California, so they're not, you know, super retaped and everything. The original label's underneath, and then the United States Postal Service. So it does take a little bit to get them. About 3 weeks, I would say, instead of the 2 weeks that some of the others have gone to. But so let's go ahead and see what I've got. And I'm going to put this bag over to the side, and then that way we can lay out everything out here. So the first thing, oh, there's a bunch of stuff in one little bag. Hold on. First thing is these little leaves. Now these leaves, let's see if I can get this open. These leaves are made out of material. They're not plastic. Let me see. Let me get a piece of paper. So each one of these leaves is thin, thin, thin. The camera a second to focus, and they're made out of material. They're very nice. And of course with BeeBeeCraft, I do 3 videos per unboxing. So the first one's the unboxing video, which is this. Then the next 2 are either demonstrations or crafting, one of the 2. Then we have, oh, these are colored safety pins. Oops. Let's see if I can get that up there. So I'm hoping to use some of those to hold little banners on, but these are a little bit small. I wish I'd have gotten one size bigger if they had them, but these are standard paper safety pin sized, so that's nice. I believe I can't remember if there's 50 or 100 in there. It looks more like 50. Not suitable for kids. It says 50 PC at the end of this number. So I'm thinking there's 50 pieces. Then, oh, these are charms. Or not, yeah, charms. Let me see if I can get this open. I just took my medicine so I wouldn't have to do it, but then I forgot to turn the alarm off for it. Sorry about that. That's how you do that. If you can't grab the corner, go in for the middle. Now these are for Halloween, so there's spooky cats and all kinds of different things. Boy, that's what 3 packages we've gone through, so you're definitely not gonna lose any of those, that's for sure. Alright, so we've got owls and different owls. Different kinds of owls. And, or did I order just owls? These are all owls. They're all just different kinds. And there's that one. I'll hold it up all the way in just a second. And that one. And they're 2-sided, most of them. That one's not, but this one is. Okay. So they're owls. And they're all silver. That's cool. I did get them for a Halloween journal, though. That's why I was thinking that they were different ones. Then, oh, this is my stamp. And, not a stamp, but, well, yeah, a stamp for wax seal. So it's a seal. And it's got gears and such on it. And it's a steampunk one. So I won't need that because I'll put this in with the rest of my stuff. And I don't know if you can see that or not. There you go. That is awesome. Very cool, very cool. Then I did get one personal item, which is a ring. And it's got the Tree of Life on it. And there's another big bag with stuff inside of it. And they're kind of taped together. Keeps it from moving around and getting smushed in the bag, I think. Oh, my voice is holding up fairly well. No, I guess if I had the end of the tape, that would be better. Okay. So these are this is a die set to go along with my steampunk wax seal. Oh, this is a flower press. We're going to be playing with this. It's 2 pieces of wood, and then the little poles, and then the wing nuts. And you just use them to smush flowers. That's why it's not super big. So it comes with the 2 pieces. And then the screws that you put through these holes, and then the wing nuts that you tighten down to press the flowers. And there's some little pieces of paper. I'm not really sure why. It showed kids on the back of the package, so see, they're picking flowers. Oops, I guess I thought I got that inside, but I didn't. Oh, here's my invoice. And I got this, where's my white paper? Where did it go? Oh, here it is. I got this metal stencil. I love metal stencils. And these are different shapes that maybe would be in the center of something else that would be like a cornice, you know, piece. Or you could do a row of them across. Then here's another set of die, maybe 2. There's a lot of them in here for it being one set. I believe it's 2. Yeah. So there's this set. I love this shape. And then there's this shape. Oh, it's 3, 4. I love die. This shape. That almost reminds me of a spider web while they're hooked together. Excuse me. This shape. And this shape. I love making windows in envelopes, and I love these different kind of a shape to make for a window, or a window in a pocket or something like that. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Nope, I think that's it. I think we've got everything. All right, so we've got the wax seal, my ring. 1, 2, 3, 4 die. A steel stencil. A flower press. Our steampunk die. The owl charms. The safety pins. And the leaves. And this was all $30 altogether. I think the most expensive thing was this metal stencil, I believe. So that was quite a bit for $30. And like I said, we'll be doing other videos. I'm going to set this out so I can take a picture. We will be doing other videos. There'll be 2 more in this series. And we'll take a look at, in the first one, we'll use the flower press. And then in the third one, we will probably make something using the steampunk die, along with, you know, maybe 1 or 2 of these die on a piece of paper. So, just to show an example. Okay? All right. Well, that's it for this video. And I'll see you in the next video. And that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay. Bye-bye.